Dear students, today we discuss a new concept that is elevation in boiling point. At first, we study boiling point. What is boiling point? The temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure is called boiling point. The temperature at which vapor pressure of liquid becomes equal to atmospheric pressure is called boiling point. Now, second, we discuss elevation in boiling point. When non-volatile solute is added to a solvent, its vapor pressure decreases, hence boiling point increases. This increase in boiling point is known as elevation in boiling point. Third, graphical representation. When we plot a graph between temperature in Kelvin versus vapor pressure in atmosphere, then here we obtain two curve AB and curve CD. Curve AB is called vapor pressure curve for pure solvent, while curve CD is called vapor pressure curve of solution. Number 2, both the curves AB and CD increases on increasing temperature. It means on increasing temperature, vapor pressure of both solvent and solution increases. The vapor pressure curve of solution CD is below than vapor pressure curve of solvent AB. It means the vapor pressure of solution is always lower than the vapor pressure of solvent. At point X, the vapor pressure of solvent becomes equal to atmospheric pressure. This point is known as boiling point of pure solvent and represented by delta T. At point Y, the vapor pressure of solution becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. This is called boiling point of solution. It is represented by TB. The difference TB minus T naught B is called delta TB. It is called elevation in boiling point. Mathematically, delta TB, elevation in boiling point, is directly proportional to the molality, or delta TB is equal to Kb into m. Here Kb is the elevation in boiling point constant. Suppose the value of m is equal to 1, means 1 gram mole of solute is present in 1 liter, then delta TB is equal to Kb. It is called molar elevation in boiling point. On putting the value of m, molality, molar means, suppose WB gram of solute whose molecular weight is MB dissolve in WA gram of solvent, then according to definition, M is equal to WB into 1000 upon MB into WA. On putting the value of m in equation number first, we obtain delta TB is equal to KB into WB into 1000 upon MB into W. With the help of this formula, we can determine molecular weight of solute MB. MB is equal to KB into WB into 1000 upon delta TB into W. This is all about elevation in boiling point.